What's the meaning of central locking? Central locking. Central locking.
Central locking. Central locking. Central locking is a system that allows all the doors of a car to be locked or unlocked simultaneously from one central point, usually operated by a key or a remote control. When activated, the mechanism triggers the locking and unlocking of all the doors at once, making it a convenient and efficient method of securing a vehicle. Central locking systems are commonly found in modern cars, and they provide added convenience and safety for drivers and passengers alike.